excited. I hope we get to see the Tyrannosaur.
Calm down. We haven't taken off yet. Make sure to capture as many pictures as you can to show Mum, alright?
Passengers, please prepare for takeoff.
I want to sit by the window.
Addison Tower, Skyhawk, N3146. Ladies and gentlemen, Isla Sorna.
This is so cool.
Wow. That is incredible. Look at that. Do you think we'll see the one with the scales on his back? What's his name again? Wow, look at that view.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you look on your right, you are about to see something breathtaking.
I think I see some over there.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
We had some.
What was that?
Expecting emergency landing.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hold my hand. Hold my hand, come on, hold my hand. Oh, oh.
How am I still alive? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! No! Ah! Ah!
Oh, fuck! How did you get there? Get away! Get away! Get away! Shit! 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 Ah! Back off! Back off! Get away from me! Ah! Shit! Back off! Get off me! No! 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 No!
Mayday! 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 My name is Andrew. Our plane crashed on Isla Sorna. Please, you have to help me. Fuck, how does the thing work? I was separated from the group. I'm near a fucking cable car. Fuck. Oh! Shit! The fuck was that? Creepy. Fuck! What was that? Ah! Fuck! What was that? No! 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 No!
Why, hello there. My name is Mr. DNA. I thought I'd put your minds at ease by telling you all about our safety measures here at Jurassic Park. Now, it might be frightening to some that we're housing some of the deadliest animals to walk the earth, but we've made a great effort to ensure safety across the island.
Yeah, fucking bullshit.
Standing between you and our dinosaurs is a network of high-voltage electric fences spanning over 50 miles across the entirety of the island, with a shark fin. With all that in mind, proceed to your tour vehicle, relax, and enjoy your stay at Jurassic Park.